This is the only sample varieties. We have kurti starting from rupees 90 only. This is Sayara pattern two-piece variety. Look at this beautiful neck work in this, and there is a thread work with this kind of little flowers on these shades. Hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. I am your friend Sugandh, presenting you a very new variety which is launched. Like this is Dabu cotton two-piece variety. Yeah my friend, this is guaranteed cotton, 150% guaranteed fabric when there is no color shading or any kind of problem. Look at this beautiful neck work, and available in 4 sizes. This is the L size. Look at the size, and available in original firma. Look at the firma of this kurti with original 40 fixed length kurti. Look at this 46 length kurti. Look at this beautiful align cut, and in bottom you will get this kind of pant. So this is a pure two-piece variety at a very minimal range. For range and pricing, connect with DK Textile. Our number is given on the screen. In this video I will tell you the range. This is the another variety in the same fabric. Look at this. This is Sayara pattern two-piece variety. Look at this beautiful neck work in this, and there is a thread work with this kind of little flowers on these shades, and in bottom you will also get this kind of pant. And if I tell about the beautiful thing about this kurti, then this is the very newly launched fabric Dabu cotton, which is a very guaranteed and premium fabric available. If you have shop or boutique and you want to sell a premium thing, then DK Textile has very kind of varieties. This is the only sample varieties. We have kurti starting from rupees 90 only, so you can connect with our salesman and get the wholesale order. Look at this beautiful variety. And if I tell about the another thing about this kurti, then look at the size, look at the interlock stitching. So all the stitching will be done in this kind of interlock, and you will get this kind of sleeves inside, because these are half sleeves, so you will get the sleeves inside. At the side you will get this kind of rope, and this is available in this kind of Chinese neck pattern. Look at this neck pattern, and M to XXL firma are available. So you will get bundle to bundle order. Minimum order is 10,000, and if you want to purchase in bulk, then DK Textile will be the best place for you, because we have many range of kurtis and other thing. You will connect with us, you will see like how beautiful it look when you put it in your counter. This kind of variety will be the top selling variety, because the size, the length, the firma. And the most beautiful thing about this is its design. Look at this design, and you will get lining or astar in both sides. Look at these beautiful things, and in the bottom pant size you can look that how much beautiful it look when you wear this kind of variety. So if you have shop or boutique, or you also want to purchase this kind of many more variety, look at this available color and sizes. Bundle to bundle purchasing. Look at this, in every design you will get 4 sizes: M, L, XL and XXL. If you want to purchase this kind of multiple range of variety, at my back there are many more variety. So if you want to purchase more than 100 range of different variety for your shop or boutique, then DK Textile is the best place for you. Connect with our team and sell this kind of variety, so you will take guarantee about this fabric, because this is a 101% genuine variety, 101% guaranteed fabric. There is no any chance of color fading or shrinkage problem. So if you want to sell guaranteed fabric, we have 90 rupees shop also, and that also have guarantee. So we only sell guaranteed fabric, original firma, original sizes. You also want to sell this kind of variety, then DK Textile is the best place. Connect with us, connect with our team, and make your counter look like the best thing, and get a highest sell with connecting DK Textile. So see you in the next video with this kind of many more varieties, and different kind of ranges are available. So subscribe our channel and see our collection on the videos on Instagram and Facebook, and you can visit also. Our shop is located in Surat. Address is given on the description. So whenever you visit Surat, please visit Surat DK Textile, so you will get the latest updates on this kind of many more variety. So see you in the next video. Till that, don't forget to subscribe, so you will get regular updates.